Hey guys, welcome to my next YouTube video. In today's tutorial, we'll be building a simple CSS heartbeat animation. So as we see here, for this heart icon, when we hover on top of it, we have a pulse effect. And this can be done very easily using CSS keyframes. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, I'll be using React. So I'm going to go ahead and make my project using npx create react app. The next step we'll want to do is install React icons. So this is a library that allows us to use a lot of different icons quite easily. So right now I'm on the website React Icons, and I'm using the feather icons. And here we can import this icon directly into React. So I'll copy paste this, and in our app.js, I'll replace that here. And instead of icon name, I'm going to use fi heart. Now let's go ahead and create this icon. And we'll give this a class name of heart. Now let's navigate to our app.css. As I mentioned earlier, I'll be using CSS keyframes. I'll give this a name of heartbeat. So first, at 0%, what we'll do is give this a transform with a scale of 1. At 50%, we'll do the same thing, but instead of a scale of 1, we'll give this 1.25. And then at 100%, we'll return back to our original scale of 1. Great, now we have our heartbeat animation. But first, let's apply some CSS styles to our heart. So I'll give this a color of black, but with an opacity of 0.3, a cursor pointer, and then I'll give this a size, so width of 30 pixels and height of 30 pixels, but you can feel free to use any values you like for this. Next, we want to use the heart hover selector, so that when we hover on top of that icon, we actually apply that keyframe animation. So for the animation property, let's give this the heartbeat, which we defined earlier up here. So heartbeat, and we'll give it a 1 second and infinite duration so that this keeps looping. Next, we'll give this a fill of red, color of red, opacity of 1, and for the opacity, we'll give it a transition of 500 milliseconds. So as we see here, we have our heart icon, and when we hover on top of it, we have our pulse effect. Thank you guys very much for watching this video, and let me know if you have any other recommendations. Thanks.